So look, the fact model was developed over many years of actually being in business. Many people actually asked us, what do you do? Why do you actually, what do you do in the business that you work in? And we pulled together this model, the fact model, which is, improving sustainability is a function of the acceptance multiplied by the capability multiplied by the technical solution. So that really, it actually tells you a bit of a story about how we work. We go into organisations and they ask, well, why do you do this and why do you do that? Why do you do this? And what it's about is that the fact model says that, okay, if I take, a solution and I want it to be sustainable, I need to make sure that there's one of three things: that people in the business actually accept the change. So how do I fully engage the organisation to accept the change? The second part of the model is, what's the capability like within the organisation? Can that capability take that solution through and be sustainable to the end? And then the third one is, are we actually implementing the right technical solution? So that's the fact. So function of A times C times T.